These might be the most advanced resin printers I've ever seen, and they're doing things I didn't think were possible for resin printers to do. These 3D prints look like blown glass, and they're coming from a resin printer, as well as shoes and gear that look like they were custom tailored for elite athletes. Today we're checking out some of the most seriously next level resin 3D printing technology. I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Make or Build It, where we turn projects into reality, and if you're not subscribing, now may be the perfect time. Today we're looking at HeyGears resin printers, as well as some of their resins. We're talking massive machines, insane materials, and workflows that go way beyond what most people think about when they think about resin printing. Now let's check them out. I'm Brian DeLuca. I am here at Rapid TCT with Tim from HeyGears, and he's going to show us everything that's going on with their printers, their resins, and a whole bunch more.
Hi, Brian. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
This is Tim, and I'm the channel sales manager at HeyGears. So I'm going to give you guys a full introduction of all the things, all the printers and the software and the hardware and the resin we have at the booth. So let's start with the new printer here. So this is a Reflex 2 Max. You guys can see the specifications here. So we have the build volume of 300 and 200 and 400. So it can print 2 pair of shoes in one time. And the print time is 4 to 6 hours for a pair of shoes. Yes.
That is a big vat.
How
many liters can that hold?
Sorry?
How many liters can this hold?
How many liters? Like at least 3 kilos.
Oh, wow.
Yes, at least 3 kilos.
Okay.
So we have a resin refill here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
This is for resin refill. Yes. So this is for 1 kilo, but we can put the 3 pallets of the 1 kilo, the resin and put it inside and, fill the tank. And then we only need to change the, empty bottle.
The one empty. Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. So it has it like reservoir.
And this will be released in 5 months.
In 5 months.
Yes.
Okay. And is this pulling the resin back, or is this is the?
No, this is the
it's holding
scrapers.
Yes. Scraper.
Scraper. Yes.
Oh,
scraper,
okay.
Yes. This is kind of when we print some high density resin and it's very sticky and you need to have the scraper to move.
So it's built in
every layer and it will be easier to print. And and also it have the function of heating the resin. So
okay.
When the temperature is cold, for example in Canada, some place in Canada it's very cold, and the resin sometimes it needs to have the scraper to heat the resins.
Okay.
Easier to print.
Wow, that's really cool. This may be one of the biggest resin printers I've seen.
Yeah. Yes. So this is the wash station.
Okay. Wow.
So basically, we can take the build platform out and put it inside. Okay. And wash. It will shake and wash, and this will automatically take the stuff out of the wash station, and we took it out.
Okay.
Yes.
And now is this the curing station for it?
Yeah, this is a curing station, and the same size.
Yeah. Well, you have some big prints coming out.
Yeah. This is a pulsing release module.
Okay.
So this is the accessories.
Okay.
This is for release the peeling force.
Oh, okay.
So the workflow of this is it will bump every print, and it will bump the air into the. It will create an angle between the build platform and the resin tank, so it will be easier to.
Oh wow! So it's pushing it through into that.
Yes, exactly. It will have a line connecting to the printer.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really cool. And so this would be a separate accessory you would purchase for this.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So, this is a Reflex 2. We released this printer 1 year ago with the Reflex 2 Pro together.
Okay.
So the difference between these two models, this is higher than the Z-axis.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes.
So it's a little bit taller.
Yes. And this printer is for printing some engineering resin.
Okay.
Yes.
So so all of these are geared toward, and can this print engineering resin too?
Yes.
Okay, so all of them are geared towards engineering.
Yes. But this one cannot print the elastic.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
okay.
Elastic can only be printed in this too.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
nice. It's nice.
Yeah. And this is the same, like the pulsing release mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So even on that level, you could get it.
Yes.
So what do these run?
Sorry?
USDA. What do these cost, these two?
This retail price should be 1,800 US dollar.
Okay.
And this one is 2,900 US.
Okay. Wow.
Not a big problem.
No, not if you're printing shoes like that. That's nice. And you said there were some new resins also over here,
Yeah,
right?
let's take a look. So let's check this out.
That's great.
So first of all, I'm gonna give you one of my business card.
Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Transparent.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tim.
So first of all, we have the transparent resin. Then we print it, and we take it out. Wash and cure and clear the supports, and send the support points, and it will be look like this.
Wow.
And then we have our gloss base.
That is crazy.
We put it inside of the sprayer, and then we spray it and make it clear.
Wow.
And so you can see the
Yes. It really looks like glass.
very transparent.
That is crazy.
Yeah, and it won't turn into yellow.
Wow. So it won't yellow over time.
Won't
Even nicer.
be yellow over
And you
time.
said this is a glaze that just goes over the resin?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is not a resin you print with. This is a glaze that goes over it.
Yes, but we sell the gloss and we sell the resin.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
From that step, before it's 3D printed, and all of our own items. For this, it's just we dye.
Okay.
Yes, and paint.
Oh, wow. I mean, these look like they're blown glass. That's amazing. I mean, let's just believe this.
So this one is this is also the same resin, like the PAT10, but the very interesting part is we leave a hole here, like you can see.
Yep.
And we make it hollow.
Okay.
And we inject.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so like we inject the color inside and make it
wow.
like this kind of stage you. And this is on sale in China market, in Chinese one.
Wow.
Yes. The designers, they will design this and use our 3D printing manufacturer to manufacture.
Wow, that's really cool. And I'm assuming this is the same sort of.
Yes.
So
Yes.
These actually look like blown glass. Like these look like they're handcrafted.
3D printing bag.
Oh wow.
Yeah. This is for some women will like this, right?
Yeah.
Special, customized for them.
Look at that. This may be the most finished 3D prints I've ever seen. This is crazy.
Yeah, it's internet.
And we also got the
Trim flexes.
very details here. You can see. Wow.
And it's flexing. That is really
Yes. So
and look at the fine details on this. That's crazy.
yeah. This is a transparent resin we have. Actually, this is very advanced in the market right now. Yes, transparent one. And we can take a look at the elastic one. We divided it into two parts. This part we call it high rebound.
Okay.
High rebound elastic resin, and this part is a low rebound.
Okay.
So basically, the 40, 70, and 80 is a short harness.
Okay.
Yes.
So what would these be used for?
So let's check this part. Okay. This is the final product.
Reflex to it.
Chase puncher.
Here's pioneer.
Okay, is the 80?
Is the DE70.
70.
It's stamping material.
Okay.
So when you press it, you want to press it, and it comes rebound, low rebound. So for absorbing the energy.
Okay.
No contrast.
And
Small print quality.
put it in the back.
Reflex tier features the
Oh, wow.
upgraded
Yeah.
amber screen throat
You check here.
In the
with
back.
higher UV
Yeah,
resistance
backpack.
and greater pressure tolerance.
And here we go.
6,000 pounds
Just watch that.
combined with the OptiZone light engine.
That's pretty
the
crazy.
screen
And
heat
obviously
simulation
shoes.
is
Yeah,
very
shoes. Do you want to give it a try, or?
with
So
the
we have
all-new
the
die
different
casting
design here,
enhances
and
device
we
rigidity
design and we add the
consistency,
lattice structure,
Okay.
and then
which
we
results
made
in
for
even more
the
precise
shoes manufacturer.
Z-axis
Okay.
So they print by
C5
themselves.
grade
Oh, wow.
Z-axis
Yes.
module.
It's really.
Also
Reflex
the
2 features advanced force
pillow.
sensors that can detect residue as tiny as 0.15 millimeters
3D printed
and
fellow.
adjust movements.
It's crazy how.
for better results and optimized printing time.
And this,
Dedicated.
is all resin-based printing,
Yes,
You know?
exactly. Yeah.
which is even
Uninterrupted,
crazy.
stable
It's resin-based.
Yes, and also
The
the
Reflex 2
white candle?
powers
Yes,
to
white
print
candle.
with accurate reliable, seamless 3D printing, and utilize a wide
This
range
is
of
foaming material,
options.
so make it light.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
it's the density of the foaming material is lighter than the water, so it's just yes.
Wow. That is really...
Visuals 2, your one-stop creation tool.
This is for doing
One-click
Yeah.
slice and printing parameters.
On the airplane.
on the airplane.
Just
I have a big neck.
tap and go. How is that?
We can customize for you. Don't worry.
Yes, I know.
HeyGears.
This is amazing. I mean, the watches,
Yeah.
the padding. What's crazy is being able to customize all this for each individual like athlete, you'd say.
Yes.
You know, and the fact that to
Features
piggyback on here.
upgraded
So,
screen print.
so these are used for that. What are some
Yes.
of these other ones used for? Here.
This is for basic sandal. I just show you like this is very light.
Okay.
And this is foamy.
Oh, wow.
And yes, very light. You can feel.
Yeah.
And also it can be print some like meat soles. Meat
Okay.
soles. Yes. And this is for specifically for shoes.
Okay.
Yes.
Specifically.
Yeah. This is the upgraded version of the 70.
Okay.
So 70 is more for some. This is for putting your hand to control the mouth. Yes.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Yes. And this is for earplug.
So what do we have going on here, Tim?
So this is our glasses frame resin. You can shake. We print the glass frame, and we have two type of glasses frame resin. The first one is the transparent one,
Okay.
which is different from the normal one.
Okay.
Yes. This is more strong and more tough.
Okay. So they're more durable. Versus
More durable.
Okay.
And this is another one. This is a black glasses frame resin. And this is printed by the same material. So we want to prove we are strong and tough. So we print the hammer and to
So to use.
to use.
I don't want to break your. And it's light too.
Yeah, it's light. It's very nice. Yes.
So what's going on here?
Yeah, this is a general purpose for engineering applications. So, some like this kind of stuff. We will just want to show like the tensor modules and the tensor strength and impact stress. They are all average.
Okay.
So it's for average engineering. So some people they want to print some, for example, gears and this kind of stuff. So it's for only for average use. This is ABS like.
So what do we got going on here?
This one is special. So this one is mold resin.
Okay.
So it can take.
Okay. So if you're making molds of something, you're pouring.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
This is a mold. And we inject.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
For injection molding. Too.
Yeah, injection molding.
Okay.
Yes. And this can take 270 degrees, like the temperature resistance. Yes. And it can have some, complicated structure inside.
Right. Yes. That's actually really cool. That it's resin just for molds.
Yes.
So what do we have going on here? What is this?
This is an anti-static. So this is for some spatial application. Like we have a customer which is a Brazilian like subway company, and they want to have some resin to put that. Like, actually, I don't know what it's used for, but this is for anti-static.
Okay.
So some part like you connected, you need it to be like anti-static.
Static. Okay.
So, yes.
Okay. Well, if they're doing electronics.
Electronics. I know.
It's probably used for something in the electronic space. Yeah, I don't want to short something out. It's probably what they're doing. But that's actually really cool.
So this is our casting resin. So it's wax casting resin. So we have this different designs.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Very intricate. Wow, that's really intricate and delicate.
Yeah. And this is for final product.
Oh wow! Look at that. Wow, it's really nice.
Yes. And this is for special application for jewelry mainly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
This is we just show like the whole process, like the
okay.
And then will be finished silicone mold, and we casting the finished product.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. This is for the majority of the resin printer. So they print some
different miniatures and
miniatures and stuff. So this one, which is a little bit special. So this is wear resistance.
Oh, okay.
And so it can take tons of scratch, and you can feel this. There is no like
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
actually cool.
Yeah, this is more for
Even feel it feels slightly different too when you touch
yes.
it. Yeah.
It can be used in BJD, like the new BJD, like the ball jointed door.
Okay. Yeah.
So the connection, like
Oh,
yes.
so it doesn't wear out. all the
yeah,
time.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, yes.
Yeah, I actually designed some models with ball joints and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that makes sense. I mean, especially, with resin, because a lot of times you're replacing, the parts where you're having to pull it apart and replace parts on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And the nice part about doing it with resin is you get a lot of high detail, and your like the detail you get in resin is just amazing.
Yes, because this is the difference from the FDM and the resin.
Yeah.
So we don't need to have the each layer like we don't have the how to see that the sunlight line. Yes.
Yeah. This is pretty close.
Yeah.
There's all on that. Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, Tim,
Yeah.
thank you for your time.
Thank you, Brian. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah.
So that's a look at how HeyGears is advancing resin printing right now. And honestly, it's getting wild. From full-blown pairs of shoes to resin prints that look like blown glass and engineering-grade materials, this is way beyond what most people think of when they think of resin printing. If you like this look into how HeyGears is advancing resin printing, make sure you like and subscribe. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It. And remember, keep on making. Oh, and the links to all these HeyGear printers are in the description below. Oh, and we got a lot more coming from Rapid TCT and beyond.